Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can get better mechanics in Fortnite. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Fortnite game app on your PC and make sure your account is signed into it. After that, you will be redirected to the home page of your account. So, today I'll be showing you some simple moves that will help you build consistency in your crosshair placement and improve your overall mechanics in Chapter 5. So to start off, we're hopping into Raiders Mechanics Training Map V4 and doing Mongol Classics. Do that until you get to the end of the map and then start doing them again. This next one focuses on your edit timing and making sure that you flow into your next setup. Do this until you reach one of the corners of the map. This is move I got from a guy, and this challenges you to have good crosshair placement or also mess up. If you're not able to do consistent edits yet, you can try practicing constantly. This last move is called the crossover, and it's the fastest way to get height. You can do them unprotected like this, or you can do protected. That's how you can get better mechanics in Fortnite. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.